Okay, the next demonstration that we have here is going to show how the SLA SOI framework can detect an availability violation. So just logging into the system, we can see that 2 services have already been created. And if I just highlight one of those, I can see that it consists of 2 virtual machines. So just highlighting one of those virtual machines, you can see the status of all the quality of service terms for that virtual machine, including availability, which is showing at 100%. Next, what I want to do is, using Tashi's get instances command, I'm going to confirm the status of all the currently running virtual machines within the cloud. And I can see that this particular virtual machine is showing as having a status of running. Next, using a command prompt, I'm going to set up pings going to that virtual machine. And what this will allow us to do as we work through this demonstration will be to monitor the availability of that virtual machine from a network perspective. Again, going back then to the Tashi node, I'm just going to run the command to pause the virtual machine. So pausing a virtual machine in Tashi is similar to what you might do with your laptop or PC when you put it into hibernate or sleep mode. And again, running the get instances command, what I can do is verify that the status of my virtual machine is now showing as paused. If I return to my command prompt, I can see the pings are now failing to that virtual machine. Okay, so what does the SLA SOI framework do for you? So if we hit refresh, what we can see is now that the availability violation has been detected by the framework's monitoring system. The yellow line will indicate that a warning has occurred, and then the red lines indicate that the term has actually been violated. Returning then to Tashi, what we want to do is resume the virtual machine. So using a very similar command, I'm just going to resume that virtual machine. And again, I'm just going to confirm the status of that virtual machine that it is now running again. Indeed, in the background as well, we can see that our pings have also started running, and yet our virtual machine status is showing as running as well. Finally then, just returning to the user interface for the SLA SOI framework. If I refresh that view, what I'm going to see is that the line is now beginning to recover. So the availability metric is coming back up for that virtual machine. So again, just refreshing it again, you can see that that will continue to recover until the quality of service term is in compliance once again. And there we have it, it's all in compliance. Alright guys, that's it for this demo. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you can visit us online